Plastic bottles, tiny as they are, have become major containers all over the world despite their petro backdrop, which results in a nightmare to the planet. There are approximately 90,000 tons of plastic bottles recycled annually in Taiwan, a volume enough to stop 3 101 buildings, circle the island 1,080 rounds, or have a month's worth of electricity for 540,000 households. More than 90% of the recycle comes from Tzu Foundation, a religious group dispatching over 80,000 volunteers across some 5,000 recycling stations, a true manifest of its mobility and practicality in protecting the environment.
是因为我们有一个非常好的一个回收体系，而且我们有很多的职工，很细心的帮我们做一些细心的分类。 所以我们可以得到这个高阶的一个产品，这个是别的地方做不到的。
These bottles, after sorted out and cleaned by Tzu volunteers, are shipped to Super Textile and processed into synthetic fibers through its yarning machinery, an ideal fabric for activewear which was selected by Nike as jersey for the players at the 2010 World Soccer. In 2012, Taipei City Mayor Hao Longbing chose the same fabric to make the uniform for its city janitors. Taiwan has demonstrated its green power while the world enjoys a cleaner environment. Daai Technology has donated blankets made of eco-friendly fabrics to the earthquake and tsunami-stricken areas. Now, with creativity combined with 100% recycling technology, a solar pad can be placed on the fringe of a hat as a source of light. A scarf can be made more breathable and comfortable with design that reminds people to cherish the planet. More than just fabrics, with its fiber, the recycled plastic bottles can be turned into twistable, double-sided containers to grow plants. The Fabric Garden, developed by Taiwan Textile Research Institute, allows plants to grow on cotton instead of soil. With reduced weight and simple watering, the garden can be located on rooftop, which then helps lower temperature inside the building.
这一块布花园它是贴在墙壁上呢，它叫做直升墙。它如果把它铺在这个屋顶上呢，它就是一个绿屋顶。这个屋顶的以内呢，它 跟外面的温度最高都可以差到7到8度，就是这样的一个很简单的概念，但也很有智慧。
The fabric coming out of the cloths, paper waste, or plastic bottles can actually be turned into nutrition after processing, replacing air, water, and sun. If tens of millions of rooftops in Taiwan chose Fabric Garden instead, the temperature can be reduced and air conditioners can be less needed. This is exactly the point: growing trees on the ground, plants on the fabric, or better yet, making it a green construction material. The combination of creativity and technology has won the 2011 IF Award in Germany. On the same premise, an eco-friendly fabric from Everest Textile works beyond water resistance and ventilation. Its patented material can be decomposed through microbes, sun, and water, more friendly to the environment, which got Taiwan's Green Classics Award in 2012. The water-resistant fabric is a mixture of new technology and non-edible starch, with no hazardous ingredient, therefore does no harm to human body. This eco-friendly fabric, 100% made in Taiwan, has been supplying sports brands across Europe and the United States, producing over 15 million pieces of clothing for Nike annually. It was processed into the slightest 5D nylon, making clothes feather-like and almost see-through. It's so far the lightest fabric known to the world. The textile industry doesn't have to become an ecological nightmare anymore. Taiwan pioneers in its plastarts processing and dyeing and finishing engineering technology. The green industry makes textile in Taiwan top of the world in style. Every day is a green day, Green Trade Project Office reports.